try and please me. You never let me down before. Don't imagine you're too familiar, and I don't see you anymore. I could not leave you in times of trouble. Never could have come this far. I took the good times, I'll take the bad times, I'll take you just the way you are. Don't go trying some new fashion. Don't change the color of your hair. You'll always have my unspoken passion, although I might not seem to care. I don't want clever conversation, never want to work that hard. I just want someone that I can talk to. I want you just the way you are. Need to know that you will always be the same old someone that I knew. Yes, I promise from the heart. I couldn't love you any better. I love you just the way you are. Never want to work that hard. I just want someone that I can talk to. I want you just the way you are. someone that I can talk to. I want you just way you are. Ja, dankjewel hè. Dankjewel. Ga niks aankondigen, ze cliffhanger, dan blijft het ook een cliffhanger.
Oh ja joh?
Ja hoor. We used to be real close. Said he couldn't go on the American way. Closed the shop, sold the house, bought a ticket to the West Coast. Now he gives them a stand-up routine in LA. This is my life. Go ahead with your own life, leave me alone. I never said you had to offer me a second chance. I never said I was a victim of circumstance. I still belong. Don't get me wrong. But not on my time. They will tell you you can't sleep alone in a strange place. Then they'll tell you you can't sleep with somebody else. But sooner or later you sleep in your own space. Either way it's okay, you wake up with yourself. Cause I'm alright. I don't want you to tell me it's time to come home. I don't care what you say anymore. This is my life. Go ahead with your own life. Now leave me alone. I never said you had to offer me a second chance. You had to. I never said I was a victim of circumstance. I still belong. Don't get me wrong. You can speak your mind, but not on my time.
je best voor klappen hoor.
Nou gaan we een heel dramatisch liedje doen. Dank jullie wel, dankjewel. Dankjewel. We gaan een heel dramatisch liedje doen. En dat begint met een shaker. Ja, ik zeg het in de aankondiging, dat is dan een hint, want ik zie dat hij het vergeet. Hij gaat nu op mij zitten wachten. Heb je je shaker niet bij je? Oh, dat is slim van je. Zonder shaker, dames en heren. We met as soulmates on Paris Island. We left as inmates from an asylum, and we were sharp as knives, and we were so gung-ho to lay down our lives. We came in spastic like tameless horses. We left in plastic as numbered courses, and we learned fast to travel late. Our arms were heavy, but our bellies were tight. We had no home front, we had no soft soap. They sent us Playboy and gave us Barbo, and dug in deep and shot on sight, and prayed to Jesus Christ with all of our might. We had no cameras to shoot the landscape. We passed the hash pipe and played our doorstep, and it was dark, so dark and late night, and we held on to each other like brother to brother. We promised our mothers we'd write, and we would all go down together. We said we'd all go down together. Yes, we would all go down together. Remember Charlie, remember Baker. They left their childhood on every acre. And who was wrong? And who was right? It didn't matter in the thick of the fight. We held the day in the palm of our hand. They ruled the nights and the night.